Did you guys know that you can pay to win on Facebook Gaming? I'm going to show you how. As always, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Look, Facebook Gaming is incredible with the algorithm. We get lots of boosts. We get people to our streams. But there's also another feature that I have talked about before, and I feel like I need to revamp or do a new take on this information. We're talking about boosted posts. And make sure you stick around because I'm going to give you my 3 biggest tips on setting up a promotional ad. Okay, boosted posts. You've seen them on Facebook. Facebook has offered to boost your posts. You get done live streams, like, this is showing a lot of promise. Make sure you consider boosting your post, boost your live stream, boost your video. Do boosted posts work? Do they get people to your stream? No. All right, we'll see you later. Okay, no. Okay, so they get you more views. But you guys know my stance on views. Views don't really mean anything. It's if you're going to invest money into a boosted post, you want to see new people in your chats. You want to see new people interacting with your stream. I would assume that's everybody's goal when they make an investment like boosted posts. So a boosted post puts it in front of a bunch of eyes, and then it makes it look awesome because of the views go up and up and up, and it's like, holy crap, this is amazing. I got 4,000 views on this video. And meanwhile, you only have 5 comments and 15 likes, and that's it. There is a way to use boosted posts to your advantage. If you set up a live stream where you're going to be doing donations, or if you're going to do any kind of giveaways, or if you have some type of big event that is different than the norm on your stream, you can make a post about it or a short video and boost that to your audience that you already have, and then more people know what's coming up. Because the way the algorithm works is you put out a notification or a post, hey, I'm giving away a t-shirt this Saturday, and depending how many people like it is how many people see it. So if, 1% of your viewers react to it, Facebook doesn't send it out to more people, so more people don't know. That's where a boosted post is actually helpful. And that could get new people to your stream as well if you're doing a giveaway and stuff like that. But if it's just your live stream, don't forget that views don't really mean much. They don't. I don't know how else to say this. I talk about this all the time. Care about your 1-minute views, care about your returning viewers, but don't worry about those 3-second views, and that's all you're going to get on those boosted posts for the most part. So, why is this so doom and gloom, or why am I being so dark? Because there is something you can do that is extremely beneficial, and that's a promotional ad. Is running a promotional ad cheating? No. You are running an advertisement. Is buying viewers and buying that kind of stuff shady? Yes. If you're one of those people that buy bot viewers or anything, get out of my video. I don't even want you here, because that's just like, how do you think that's helping your channel if you do that? But no, this isn't talking about bots. This is simply talking about, in the digital world, putting up a billboard and having people see your billboard, and if they want to interact with your stream, which is the whole point of a promotional ad. So promotional ads do work, but we got some things to go over. Right off the gate, promotional ads tend to be more expensive than a boosted post. A boosted post, you usually can spend $10 for X amount of days, and it'll boost the post throughout the days. With promotional ads, it's a set rate per day. So you set your minimum of $3, $4, $5, $10, $50 a day for how many days, and then it runs the ad. You want to make sure you set up your audience the correct way. See, I do a lot of this stuff on my phone through Creator Studio or through my phone's Facebook app. I'll show you some images here. If you go to promotional ad, here's where you click on the ads. You click on promotional ad, and then you go down to your audience settings, and then your content, which is, what form of media do you want to use? Do you want to use an image, or do you want to run a promotional ad with a video? Now, here is the real kicker. When I run promotional ads, I don't just promote my live stream. I keep saying this over and over. You don't want to do a promotional ad or a boosted post with just your basic live stream. It's got to be something more flashy, engaging, and get the attention of people right away. Now, do I think you should do a promotional ad or a boosted post? Only if you believe in your content, only if you know that your content is good enough for this, because so many people waste their money with this stuff, and I certainly don't want to push you guys in the wrong direction. Some of you might not be there yet. Some of your content is in that in-between where there's some highlighted moments in it, but overall, it's not that great, and you got to improve on it. I'm not trying to be harsh. I'm trying to be straightforward with you guys. I have wasted money on boosted ads in the beginning because I tried running promotional ads, and I would get people to my stream. They'd walk in the door, and I wasn't engaging. I did not have a clean-looking stream. It wasn't good content. So that was wasted money. They came in, they saw junk, and they left. You know, sometimes you'll see that in advertising just in general. There will be a big flashy sign, you get inside, you're like, well, I don't really want to be here, and you leave. Streaming's the same way. If you get that business mindset in your head, what are you bringing to the table when these people come to your stream from an ad? People off the street that don't know who you are, maybe don't even know what live streaming is. So keep that in mind. Now, before we leave, like I said, I'm going to go through 3 of my biggest tips for you guys in setting up a promotional ad. If you guys have any questions below, please get them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, let's go through the 3 tips that I have for running an ad. One of the most important things, number 1, does the content provide value to the viewer? That is a kicker to start off all kickers. Does it provide value to the viewer? When somebody watches it, what are they getting out of it? Because people are not going to watch it or take it to heart if it doesn't teach them or move them in any certain kind of way. So make sure you answer that question. Tip number 2, is it presented well and good quality? Is it presented well and in good quality is the bread and butter of running some type of ad. It's got to look good. It's got to look professional as best as you can. And tip number 3, does it represent you and your stream? If you tie these 3 tips together, this is why they're laid out like this. If you run an ad for something that has nothing to do with your live stream, but it gets a lot of traction and people to your page, but then when they see your live, they leave anyway because it makes no sense, that's a wasted pile of money that you just threw out the door. So make sure all 3 of these tips are put together in a package that makes sense in a circle. So if I'm a retro variety streamer and I provide some type of content to glitch or do some type of crazy feat in a game, presented well and looks like my stream and high quality, and then people come to my live stream and I'm playing a retro game, it ties everything together. That's exactly how I run my promotions on my page right now. I've tried doing weird stuff where I've made collage videos and stuff that really didn't reflect the stream, but they were funny. Wasted my money. Don't do this. Because when people saw it, the people that liked that stuff came to the live stream, and here I'm playing Zelda and I'm talking about video games. It doesn't make sense. Everything has to work in a complete circle. Otherwise, this is wasted money. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving a like and subscribing to the channel. It does help a lot, and that way you can keep up with my weekly content. I'm making us all better streamers. These videos come from my own experiences. As a matter of fact, I got one comment this week that got me thinking I need to revamp my boosted post ad. And if you see this, you know who I'm talking about. Or you know, I got you. And if you guys are looking for extra engagement on your live streams, I keep talking about this, and I'm dead serious about this. This is high quality, copyright-free music for your live streams. Go to www.rad-audio.com. This is a company that I am a part of. I'm proud of it. It is awesome. I'm so happy that we got it out, and we have more and more stuff coming out to you. So go to rad-audio.com. Use the music in the backgrounds of your live streams. Use it for your content creation on YouTube, or if you're making shorts and reels, you can use it on there too. Links are in the description below, of course. Along with my live. If you guys ever want to talk live, my live link is down there too. I hope this helps you guys. Best of luck. I'll see you next week.